Hello! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Sean. Maraming nagtatanong sa akin kung paano ang mag-subscribe sa YouTube. There were some friends of mine who attempted to subscribe and like my channel, pero wala silang nagawa. That's why I'm here para ituro ko sa inyo kung paano natin ito gagawin, step by step. And at the same time, ay magkakaroon din kayo ng sariling YouTube channel. Stay tuned!
First of all, internet connection is a must. There should be a YouTube and Gmail application in your phone. Otherwise, you have to download it from Play Store. How to do it? It's like this. Sa search tab ng Play Store, i-type nyo ang YouTube. Click and download. The same thing you will do with Gmail application. In this phone, the YouTube and Gmail application were already installed. It's here. If in case wala kang Gmail application on your phone, there's another way in creating a Gmail account. Punta ka sa Google. Type mo ang Gmail sign up. Then create your Google account. Click and follow the step. Anyway, babalik tayo dito later. Nais kong ipapaliwanag sa inyo, details by details. Hindi pa tayo nakapag-sign up sa YouTube, so let's try to go there and find out. For example, sa search tab, i-type natin ang aking channel which is Sean Original Songs or Sean's Guitar. Click, and here's my videos. And you can also see the subscribe button, color red. Let's play one of my video. Here it is. I'm pointing the subscribe and like button. Let's try to click the subscribe. Here, you can see the accounts and add accounts. Ibig sabihin, hindi ka pwedeng mag-subscribe or mag-like unless mag-sign in ka. Paano natin gagawin ito? It's simple. I-click natin ang add account. And you will be directed to this site to create a Gmail account. Therefore, maraming option kung paano tayo gumawa ng Gmail. First, sa Gmail application, Google search, Gmail sign up, at sa YouTube add account. We should have a Gmail account in order to sign in. Hindi tayo pwedeng gumamit ng ibang email except from Google. Do you know why? Just because ang Google at ang YouTube belong to the same company. Iisa ang may-ari. Babalik tayo sa Gmail application at dito tayo gagawa ng Gmail address. Follow the step. Create account for myself. You can fill this in with your real name or alias. It's up to you. Just an example, dito ilalagay natin ibang pangalan. Birthday, also an example. Gender, ilagay natin male. Dito may mga recommended na Gmail address. Pwede kang mamili. Kung ayaw mo naman, pwede kang gumawa ng sarili. Here, I'm going to choose number 2. Then, create your password. It's confidential, so I have to cover the password. Confirm password, need to cover again. Now, adding a phone number or recovery mail is an option. The reason in doing so is for security reason. But for the meantime, skip muna natin ito. Let's proceed. Skip. Sa wakas, we have already a new Gmail address. By clicking Take Me to Gmail, you can check all your messages in there. With this Gmail ay babalik tayo sa YouTube para mag-sign in. On top right of this YouTube display ay makikita natin ang sign-in feature. It seems to be na parang tao. Depends on what kind of phone you are using. Because other phone, ang makikita natin ay 3 dot like this. Let's sign in now. So, dito makikita natin ang bagong Gmail na ginawa natin kanina. I-click natin. Now, we are already signed in YouTube. We'll try again to visit my channel para mag-subscribe. Search for Sean Original Songs or Sean's Guitar. The color of the subscribe button is red, means we haven't subscribed yet. This is inside my channel where you can find all my videos. You can also check my playlist. You can see here the original songs playlist and Sean's guitar playlist. Click natin ang isang video. am pointing to subscribe and like button. Now, click natin ang subscribe. Bell button. And like. You are now subscribed to this channel. As you can see that the subscribe button, once red, now turned to gray color, while the like became blue. It is very important to click the bell button so that you will be notified every time there will be a new upload videos. You can see the notification below. You can also add public comments, and this is how you will do it. By the way, pwede kang mag-upload ng profile picture on your YouTube channel rather than leaving it with just a letter like this. Like my profile, I have a picture, and you can also upload your videos as you wish and grow your channel.
Sana marami kayong natutunan dito sa aking tutorial. I'll see you again.